Welcome to Daily Justice Files.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 5226, State of Texas versus Clinton Camacho. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
The attorney of record is Monica Guerrero, Joseph Stateston standing in, and Mr. Camacho. Will you give the court permission for me to do this in place of Ms. Guerrero?
Yes.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Camacho, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, I understand, Judge.
All right, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Camacho, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Defendant's Affidavit of Admissions?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you enter a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, I understand.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Mr. Camacho, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Judge.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Judge.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I understood, Judge.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine to be probated, and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, I understood, Judge.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, I did, Judge.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, I understood.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours community service restitution, and regular UAs. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, I understood, Judge.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Judge.
State any evidence.
Anything that might attach to, sir?
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Camacho, did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did, Judge.
State, you may be excused.
No.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements, police reports, and laboratory reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, I understood, Judge.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments, and court will review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with
Yes, Your Honor.
anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We ask that you follow the recommendation.
All right. I have a few questions for you, Mr. Camacho. One of the questions I'm going to ask the facts of the case because you probably have an attorney on that case. It's in regards, counsel, to the assault bodily injury warrant he had. Do you know the outcome of that case?
I believe this was the only case visible.
Okay.
If I may check with the state to see if
Yes.
there's another case pending. I thought it was closed.
Not pending, Your Honor, all of the sentence.
All right. And then what happened to your wrist?
I broke it. I was staying in a motel and they locked the exit. So I jumped the fence. And when I jumped the fence, I got caught on the fence, my shoe, and it twisted my knee.
All right. Was that during this altercation or something else?
No.
So who locked an exit?
It was on Broadway. It was a motel on Broadway. I don't know.
So why were you hopping fences as opposed to going through?
I was gonna go through. There was only one entrance,
Mhm.
so there was only one exit. So I just jumped the fence. And just
All right. And how long ago was that from this incident?
Maybe 3 days prior to that.
Why didn't you go to a doctor before then?
I
Being broken wrists don't heal on their own.
yes.
All right.
I was told that if I didn't go that same day, that it was kind of like it wouldn't have helped my situation with my wrist. It would have stayed broken because I broke it in 2 places.
Oh no.
So if I wouldn't have got like immediate emergency help or whatever, I wouldn't have.
Who told you? I'm just curious. Who told you that information?
That's the VA when I went to go show them my wrist. And
No, because my understanding, I could be wrong. I'm not a medical doctor, but what I've been told, if you need stitches and you don't get those immediately, then they're like, what can we do?
yes,
But for a broken wrist, it's going to heal improperly, potentially. And you know what they're going to have to do? Have surgery and break your wrist to put it back together again.
A routine drug case was about to take an unexpected turn. What Judge Boyd discovered next changed the entire courtroom conversation.
That's just based upon documentaries that I watch. I don't know if it's true. I'm not a medical doctor. And for the record, I'm not giving him any medical advice, but you need to have that wrist looked after.
yes, ma'am.
All right. So you mentioned VA. Are you a veteran?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What branch?
I was in Army.
How long?
3.5 years.
So why are you at this place and no longer in the military?
Wrong choices, I guess.
All right. How many children do you have?
I don't have any children.
All right. And iguanas burritozilla. Am I pronouncing that correct? Or is it burritozilla?
I believe it's just now called iguanas.
Oh, why do they put burritozilla like they sell burritos?
Client says that was a food truck and now it's actually a restaurant and they just say iguanas. I'm not certain.
Okay. All right. When's the last time you were employed?
Temporary agency.
Yeah, I work in temp, so it's on and off.
And he does receive military disability. So he may not be able to have
Okay.
other types of work.
So what's your disability from the military?
1,300 a month.
No. I'm sorry. Why are you on disability?
Oh, I have a slip disc and I have PTSD. I get nightmares.
You say PTSD, slip disc, and what else?
I have nightmares. It's my
Okay.
consists of my PTSD.
He was deployed to Iraq in 2009 to 2010.
All right. All right. Is there anything else you think I should know about you before I put down conditions? Okay. Who would you be staying with if you were released?
But I'm probably going to be staying at the GI Forum for homeless vets first, and then I'm going to try and get a number.
Okay. And with regards to these drugs, how often had you been using?
The other day.
All right. And does he have any other priors other than this? And the assault case? Anything else?
Yes, Your Honor.
What else?
I would have to refer back to the state's file.
All right. Is there any violent offenses?
To my knowledge, there was another possession of controlled substance case that he had during his military service.
All right. So any other violent history? I see that you have the assault. And from the way it's labeled, it appears that it was a misdemeanor assault.
I believe so.
Do you have any other violent offenses? And when I say violent offenses, anything that's aggravated, anything that involves hitting someone or anything of that nature.
No,
So other than the assault in this drug case, do you have anything else? Right. Ever been to prison? All right. And just let me know if there's something different, Mr. Statesman. All right. So I'm going to sentence you to $1,000 fine. That's going to be probated. Sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. Let's do a referral to felony drug court. That'll be first. Because it's Monday, they'll be able to see you before the week is out. And so I'm going to have that done in custody. And the reason why is because felony drug court will be able to help you with housing, will be able to help you with any other issues that you're having.
appreciate that.
As opposed to me just sending you out, good luck. Hopefully they get you housing. They'll be able to help right away. All right. And that referral is going to be in custody. And so, as I said, they'll be able to see you this week and they'll be able to let the court know whether or not they're accepting him this week.
Appreciate that.
You're welcome. We can do, if they don't accept him, we can do a referral to Veterans Treatment Court out of custody. And we'll do a TAP evaluation in custody. How long is TAP? All right. So if felony drug court accepts him or felony drug court does their own TAP, we can just go along with their TAP recommendation. Usually if felony drug court is unable to accept you, they'll send to the court their recommendations. So we'll do a TAP evaluation, proof of employment or military disability within 30 days. So either you provide proof of your military disability or you're going to have to get employment. You understand?
It's my word.
All right. And if there is an issue where you can't provide that within 30 days, counsel, just let us know and we'll see what we can do.
Yes,
There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. We'll do a MIC evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution. What are you planning on doing with the rest of your life? Like, what are your hobbies or what are you interested in?
Actually interested in starting a business, so I'm trying to start getting my credit. I've been trying to get my home loan for the VA, so I need to get my credit.
All right. So what type of business do you want to start?
I wanted to start a brick oven pizza place.
All right. So 120 hours community service restitution, that will be waived if you complete some sort of culinary certification. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. And I'm going to want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person and regular random UAs. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. So here's the thing. If you have nieces or nephews, their guardian or some adult needs to be around them. And the reason why I'm doing that is because until you are sober, I think it's probably for the best. So once he has some months of sobriety behind him, that could be changed if you come back to court counsel. All right, probation. Is there anything else he needs? Oh, I'm sorry. One final thing. The police were called because they said you were loitering at iguanas. So I'm not going to allow you to have contact with them. Okay. So there's to be no contact with iguanas, and it's Burrito Zilla, and no contact with 4205 Fredericksburg Road. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, I understood.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
I understood this.
All right. We can go off the record. So if there's anything you need, just let the court know if you feel as though probation is not addressing it.
Appreciate it, Judge.
All right. So what is going to be your specialty?
Pizza.
Yes.
Pizza, all types of pizza?
I really want to make like Mexican pizzas, like, you know what I mean?
Okay. What's a Mexican pizza?
Queso flamiado, like pizza. Like,
Okay. Now, what did you say?
yeah,
What did you say?
I have it's
No, I mean, you said something in Spanish.
queso flamiado. It's goat cheese
Mhm.
with chorizo, and I want to put that on a pizza.
Okay.
Yeah, just a couple things.
All right. Well, we'll have to order it and see how it tastes. But here's the thing. If we order it, we're going to be honest in our taste testing. Yeah. but I'm sure it'll be good.
Your Honor, it was a criminal trespass resisting misdemeanor,
Okay.
and but the ABI appears to have been family household.
All right. So, then felony drug court should accept you. You just need to be honest with them. And I know that program is a hard program, but they will truly help you with any mental health issues. And they will also help you with housing and help you get your life on track. Who knows? They may send something to me and say, try Veterans Treatment Court. The only reason why I didn't recommend Veterans Treatment Court first is because it does take them, it seems, months to decide to accept someone. And I don't want you sitting in jail for months. Okay.
I appreciate that.
All right. Thank you.
You have a good rest of your day.
All right. You two, on 2 cases, correct?
Sure.
All right. Court is going to call 2023 CR 8725 and 2023 CR 8727, State of Texas versus Terrence Bowie Jr. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Scott McCrum for Mr. Bowie.
All right. Are you Mr. Bowie?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in each of these cause numbers, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have, and I did.
And each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery.
At first, everything followed the usual plea process, but one simple question uncovered a story that no one in the courtroom saw coming.
And each cause number, Mr. Bowie, did you review the documents entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, did you review what's entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, in each cause number, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Okay. And the cause number and the cause number ending in 8727, it appears that you're proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And in the cause number ending in 25, it appears that you're proceeding on count 2. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right. And counsel, the court knows that you're not the party who put the plea paperwork together.
They didn't follow my guidance on writing it down, so
All right.
that will be talked about.
All right, Mr. Bowie. I'm sorry, counsel, do you have any objections to the state proceeding on the lesser included offense and waiving counts in each of the indictments?
No objection.
All right. Mr. Bowie, did you review the documents entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions in each of the cause numbers?
Yes.
With your attorney, did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
And the cause number ending in 27, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 25, the state is proceeding on the possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's a 2nd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand in each cause number you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And that you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your probation were revoked, the court could find you guilty? And in the cause number ending in 25, the court could sentence you up to 20 years in prison. And in the cause number ending in 27, the court could sentence you up to 10 years in prison. And in each cause number, the court could sentence you up to a $10,000 fine as well. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense in each cause number?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Bowie, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Silent on your applications. The cases will run concurrent, and they'll take in consideration 2023 CR 8726.
This case became about far more than a criminal charge as the hearing unfolded. Judge Boyd looked beyond the paperwork and focused on the person standing before him, a military veteran struggling with addiction, PTSD, and an uncertain future. Instead of simply imposing punishment, the court carefully considered treatment, accountability, housing assistance, and a realistic path toward rebuilding a life. It was a reminder that justice isn't always measured by prison time alone. Sometimes it's measured by whether someone is given a genuine opportunity to change. Whether this second chance leads to success now depends on the choices the defendant makes from this point forward. Do you believe Judge Boyd made the right decision by choosing rehabilitation over harsher punishment? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy real courtroom stories explained in a documentary style, be sure to subscribe for more.